Thousands of people still don't have power or heat after this weekend's strong wind gusts. Trees and power lines remain down all over, and crews are scrambling to make repairs. John Shumway's live tonight with an update on their progress. John?
Yeah, the numbers are quickly coming down. In fact, we'll have the updated numbers for you in just a second. But that is really small consolation if you're one of those who's still without power. To the folks on Pine Drive, this West Penn power crew were the equivalent of Marvel characters, heroes.
I'm glad to see them.
I think they're doing a damn good job, to tell you the truth.
They're thrilled to see the attention because when these neighbors called for a power restoration update last night, they were told
11 o'clock midnight on March 2nd.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Dan Bosco moved his freezer contents to his daughter's home, and that's where he and Maya have been staying as well. The house is just
Too cold. 40 degrees is too cold.
Gordon Hartman, who came down to check with the power crews on how soon he'd have juice, has a generator outside his garage door to power the blower on his gas heater. He and his wife have been spending a lot of time in the garage. For the power crews, the restoration efforts are now focused on smaller results, like outside the Maxwell School near Greensburg, where a tree came down on the school's power line.
There's more than 3,000 of these types of locations where the power is out, and sometimes there's only one customer, might be something ripped off the side of a home, to a handful of customers, to many customers.
Yeah, and that is why it is so tedious to get these remaining customers back up. West Penn Power tells us they've got about 1,000 customers or so in Butler County who are still out, same in Fayette County. The numbers are a little more dramatic in Westmoreland County, where they've got about 7,000 customers still without power. Washington County, about 4,500. And at this point, worst case scenario for West Penn Power, they're still sticking with that Saturday night restoration. As for Duquesne Light, they're still sticking with having everybody back up and on by around this time or a little bit later tomorrow. About 15,000 Duquesne Light customers still without power, and Duquesne Light is now going to be getting some help from some Alabama power crews who are coming in this evening and will be working alongside Duquesne Light crews tomorrow. Live downtown, John Shumway, KDKA News.
Well, we hope they get it back soon. Thank you, John. And if you are still without power and heat, there are several places you can go to stay warm. The City Park's Healthy, Active Living and Recreation Centers are open late. And on the north side, the Allegheny Center Alliance Church and the Red Cross have teamed up warming center there. It will be open overnight if necessary, and you can find a complete list of hours and locations at KDKA.com/links.